How to get YouTube Premium Student Discount. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can get the YouTube Premium with a student discount. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. So the first thing you want to do here is open up YouTube application on your device. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, what you need to do next is go over to the U section at the bottom right corner. And once you head over there, you can scroll down, you can find your playlists, your downloads, and right below that you have Get YouTube Premium. You just need to tap on it. And if it's your first time, you can try 1 month free for $0 US, so it won't cost you any money. Now, to get the student discount, you can explore different plans they offer. So you just scroll down here. And as you can see here, they have the individual plan, the family plan, and then the student plan. So what you need to do here is just go ahead and click on any one of them. So no matter which plan you choose, you can always try 1 month for free. So as you can see here, the individual plan is $13 per month, almost $14. It's $23 for family plan, and student plan is very cheap, which is only $8 per month. So you can just try the student plan by tapping try 1 month for free. And once you tap on it, tap on continue. As you can see here, you will be redirected to Share ID to verify your student status, and you need to provide information, and they will be processed by Share ID. So it's a third-party website. Tap on continue. Now, once you get here, what you need to do is verify your student status. You can enter the name of your country, then you can enter the establishment date of your school, college, university, whatever it is, your first name, last name, then your date of birth, and then your email address. Now tap on verify, and it will use the Share ID to verify your student status. And if you are eligible, then you will be able to uh, try this for $0 for 1 month and then $8 per month with the student plan. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.